How to remove your Instagram profile picture in 2025. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. As you are logged into your account, what you can simply do is you can just tap on the option of your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now you can see the option of edit profile, so simply tap on edit profile. As you tap on edit profile, you can see the option of change profile picture below your display picture. So simply select on change profile picture. Now you get the option of delete over here. So simply tap on delete and it will give us the pop-up that deleting this profile picture will delete the picture and any related posts on Facebook. So you can just tap on remove and just wait for a while, and after it loads, there you go. You do not have a profile picture and you have removed your Instagram profile picture. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.